The following is a DW Ancient Egypt production. The second remarkable discovery was that of an intact wooden ship uncovered in 1954 close to the south face of the pyramid. Too large for the pit intended for it, the boat had been carefully dismantled into 650 parts, comprising of 1,224 pieces, and has now been restored by the Egyptian Antiquities Organization. Khufu's ship is one of the oldest, largest, and best preserved vessels from antiquity. It measures 143 feet long and 19.5 feet wide. It was thus identified as the world's oldest intact ship and has been described as a masterpiece of woodcraft that could even sail today if put into water. The history and function of the ship are not precisely known. It is of the type known as a solar barge, a ritual vessel to carry the resurrected king with the sun god Ra across the heavens. However, it bears some signs of having been used in water, and it is possible that this ship was either a funerary barge used to carry the king's embalmed body from Memphis to Giza, or even that Khufu himself used it as a pilgrimage ship to visit holy places, and that it was then buried for him to use in the afterlife. The Khufu ship has been on display to the public in a specially built museum at the Giza Pyramid Complex since 1982.